we will be taking you through some other things. Okay. Based on the explanation, show that you fully understood the last training. So today now we are going to be taking the icons one after the other. So we will start from the stock. Once we install this system, just like as we have done now, the first thing you are going to do is to commence creating your groups. Some call it category, some call it group, either group or subgroups. You understand what the group is all about? Just like since it is a pharmacy store, so it means that your group, you can have all this blood tonic as a group. You have your analgesic, or you call it as a group. You have different group, you understand? So this is the first thing that you are going to commence. You click the stock, you go to stock group maintenance, you click it like this, then you begin to rename all these groups. So when you create this group 1, this group is starting configured from 1 to 50. Just be clicking any one. You don't need to follow it in line, because the system is going to arrange them according to the letters. Do you understand? So order, yes, you got it. So the here you just click any one, click modify, then you clean it. Then what is the first group name you want to call now?
Let's call it blood tonic.
Blood tonic, yes, you go ahead. Capital letter, all of them should be capital letters. No, this small letter, make everything capital letters. No, you have to click inside. I have clicked for you. Then once you are done, you click save. The reason why it's showing up, because B is before the G. When you type a letter that is supposed to be after the G, you will see that it will go down. So now you click any number again, you click modify. I want you to create about up to 5 different categories before we move to the next stage. Continue.
And we can really step forward. We can really kind of take our simple screws to the next level. I love being able to travel the world and wrestle for an incredible crowd and put on matches that I'll be proud of forever.
Now hold on, I will close the entire software, then you will log in from the beginning, go to the same page and create more too. Once you have done that, it means you know the next thing to do. You can create as many groups. So log in and go straight to the page without me saying anything.
resellers are in WrestleMania. That's a lot of what I was talking about, was trying to be a champion of people. This is what I envision, taking the Universal title all over the world.
Good, you got it.
This may be the very first time the Universal Championship is independent tonight in Paris, France.
Okay, so it means that you have known how to create all your categories, all your groups. So now, that is the first thing. Now, from now, once I am done with my training, you can continue with all your group and finish all of them first.
Okay, sir.
You can create, even if you bring another type of category that you don't have now, you can go back to this page and create another category.
It's okay, sir.
So now, once that is done, the next thing to do is to begin to create the list of the items you sell. Because you have not been using a software before. If you are using a software before, we would have import the data. But since you are not using the software before, this is the new business that is about to commence. So the next thing is to begin to type in the names of the items. Then you come here, you click the first one, the stock. Then we are now going to the first icon, which is add and modify stock. Then you click on it. So this is the next page. So here, because there is nothing here, so you will be clicking new. You click this new. Then this is where to add the product. Now, I don't think you have, do you have any product in the shop now?
Nothing for now.
Nothing for now. Okay. Do you have anything like, even if it's a product that you have the packet there, but you are not selling it, it's not, you don't have any product, any medicine that you have the packet that we can use for the training?
Give that back. It's gonna be a bit frustrating.
Nothing.
Getting the card, Seth Rollins versus Baron Corbin street fight. No Universal title on the
When
line.
you do the packets in the form of problem,
Champion on the show.
then you go.
Again. I mean, Brock's never been. So at this point, I've gotten used to it, you know. It's like all the other crazy stuff that goes on in this world. It's completely wrong. It's impossible.
I just know
So
something.
much that we're just used to it. And
Hello, sir.
Okay.
Hello?
You have something now, right?
Got something from our neighbor.
Oh, okay. Now, that thing doesn't have a barcode.
Eh?
What you have now doesn't have a barcode.
No, sir.
Okay, I needed something that have a barcode.
No.
Do you have water there? Bottled water. What you bought now, we are still going to make use of it. But I need something like have a barcode so that we can use the barcode. I'll train you about barcode and also train you the one that don't have barcode.
Yes, sir. It's a bottle water with barcode.
Okay. Now, your customer must be here on the part number. Then scan the barcode. Your customer must be on the part number.
Okay.
Scan the barcode now.
You see?
The scanner, there is a scanner that is attached to that system. Now, take
This sort of
It's
backlight
camera is not on.
outside of
no. Once it plug, it need to be plugged to your system. Once it's plugged to your system, just scan. When you take your product close to it, it will automatically on.
little soapbox, even a little stupid social media machine they got down about it.
Oh.
Something stuff like that might go see. There's
Just place it, sir.
entertainment that does what you do.
Touch your hand. Take your hand in the front of the scanner. There it should show infrared light. Okay, check whether it's plugged to the computer.
Not too thrilled. And so going into the match at SummerSlam was totally different from going into the match at WrestleMania. I felt like I had pretty much 100% support from our audience going into SummerSlam. I didn't know how they were going to receive it. Just the relationship with the audience wasn't great. Didn't know if they were going to be interested in the match. Was not sure. I was pretty nervous about it.
Has defeated Brock Lesnar in the past. He did it at WrestleMania. Can he do it again?
So this is how to quickly bind.
And now it's all about creating pain by Lesnar. And look at this go. Oh my God. Good God. Using the taped ribs to his advantage.
Sir. Hello, sir.
Yes.
It did not work.
Okay, let's do video call.
It did not. You say?
Pick the video call.
Here is the scanner, sir.
Okay. Let me see the code.
The code.
That cable. That cable is it plug? It should be plugged to the system.
Yes, it is plugged, sir.
Remove it.
See, sir.
Remove it from that place. I plug it again. Be showing me the machine. Be showing me. I want to see the. I want to see the this thing. The scanner. I want to see the scanner. I want to see the scanner.
Here's your winner. And the new
Let me see. It's not showing light at all. It should be showing light.
Yes, it's not showing up.
Okay, remove it from that place. There is another under the system.
Yes.
Plug another. Check it. Please don't remove anyone that is there. Oh.
Yes. We have plugged it under the system.
Let me see the scanner. It's not showing light.
It's not showing light.
Please turn the back. Push that one inside well.
Following SummerSlam began with booze and ended with elation. The perception of the new Universal
Is-
Champion is everything.
It's just hard to be liked all the time. You know, people will find everything they try to tear you down. It's just the way our culture is right now. So, they make you work for it. Yeah, man. Right now, to be honest with you. Shit, I was sorrow. It's a crazy life, man.
Tô ganhando da roda de
Live for moments like that too. It was a special one for me. After SummerSlam, I did something I've never done in my career at WWE. I asked for a Raw off. I haven't taken a vacation in 7 years, so myself and Rebecca took 2 weeks to go to Hawaii. I had started the process of creating an engagement ring for her 2 months prior to that.
Okay, we are going to be ending this since we have lost connection to the place. So I'll be ending the video recording now. Thank you.